Good morning, my multiplication masters. Hopefully you have been practicing using your twos, which most people really like. Using your twos to help you figure out the multiples of 4, because it's twice as many groups, so the product will be twice as big. And then once you master your 4s, you can use those to solve your 8s. Some of you might have already figured out that if you learn your 3s, multiples of 3, that information can help you figure out the answer or the product when you're multiplying 6 groups of some number. Double the amount of groups, same amount in each group, double the product. So these are related in the strategy that we're using. Let's talk about a couple more though. Most kids, as we said before, like their 2s. And most kids like their 10s because they've noticed that any number that you multiply by 10 is going to actually be bumped up to the next place value place. So it's basically that number with a 0 included, which makes it represent a number that's 10 times greater. So we like our 2s, we like our 10s, but we're not, usually kids are not so thrilled about their 12s. So let's find a strategy that we can use to knock that out. Let's take the example of 12 groups of 6. Really what that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 groups of 6, that's what it is, right? I could count them one by one, but that would be no fun at all. But this 12 groups of 6, really, 12 is made up of a group of 10, and then 2 more. So 10 times 6 is 60. 2 more groups of 6 would be 12. Easy to add together, put together, and you get 72. So try that. When you have 12 times any number, think, well, 10 times that number, and 2 more groups of that number, and you'll end up with 2 friendly problems, helping you with one that's a little bit more challenging. So filling in our multiplication charts, 2s, 4s, and 8s. Then do your 3s and your 6s. And then fill in those 10s, and then hit the 12s, okay? Work on it. Let's get them mastered this week.